Hello students. So today's we are just going to discuss about the sample questions or a first pre-board questions of Pitt's School Gumia regarding IT subject. So in Information Technology 402 there are so many changes done by the CBSE in this year, and we are just going to discuss about what is the pattern of question paper, what are the instructions and guidelines given by the CBSE regarding the subject and examination and question pattern. So now we start it now. Let's just start it. So general instructions. So what are the different general instructions are here? So please read the instruction carefully. It's always we are just doing. So before solving the questions, first read the instructions carefully. This question paper consists of 21 questions in two sections, section A and section B. So in section A, there are objective type question, and in section B, subjective type question. So out of the given 5 plus 16, that is 21. So out of this 5 plus 16, a total number of questions 21, you have to do only 5 plus 10. So out of 16 questions, you have to solve 10 questions, any 10 questions. Okay, it means total you have to solve 15 questions. So this is a very good option for you. You can complete your only 15 questions out of 21 questions. Okay. So all questions of a particular section must be attempted in the correct order. So you should not change the order of the questions. You have to just do all the questions in a order or in a sequence. Okay. So now in section A, objective type questions that will just carry 24 marks, and in this section has 5 questions. Marks allotted are mentioned each against each questions or a part. There is no negative marking, so do as per the instruction given. And in section B, subjective type questions carrying 26 marks, and in this sections there are 16 questions. A candidate has to do only 10 questions. So out of this 16 questions, you have to do only 10 questions. Okay. So you have lots of options. If you don't know the answer perfectly, then you can choose another option. So do as per the instruction given. Marks allotted are mentioned against each part or each question. So now let's start what is the first questions of objective type. Instruction says answer any 4 out of given 6 questions on employability skill, and each questions carry 1 marks. So out of this 6 questions, you have to do only 4 questions. Okay. So number 1, which of the following trap small children into inappropriate relation? So 4 options are given here, and examination is already conducted, already over. Then you can easily know the answer. So bolden option is the correct answer, that is online predator. Students, second question is Shiva has to perform his best in the next cricket match so that he gets a chance to play for his school at the national level cricket tournament. He is anxious, worried or stressed. What he should do? So options are: he should panic, he should miss his sleep, he should start worrying about it, or he should go to the field and practice. So correct answer is, you already know this one, golden answer is, golden word, that is option 4, D. Next question is, Radha gets up early morning and studies for her classes. Then she comes home, goes for her dance class and finishes her homework before going to school. She does this all by herself. No one tells her to do it. This is which type of motivation? Okay, so there are 4 options given here, and out of this answer is B. Now next one is, the owner of XYZ clothing wants to communicate to large number of people that XYZ clothing will remain closed for customers on Sunday. Suggest him some effective way so that the same message may reach out to maximum number of people. So email, options are email, notice and poster, meeting and phone. So the right answer is B. notice and poster. Question number 5. Priyanka decides to sell her company tires in Lucknow. It does not sell and she has a loss. She apologizes to the people who work for her. She says she will plan better next time. C what? Option A, B, C, D. Takes responsibility for your mistake, thinks before making decision, does not give up, is creative. So option A is the right answer. Now the last question is, one initiative was taken by Ministry of Railways in Varanasi and Raebarelis, where they introduced clay pot, kulhar, to replace plastic and paper cups and to bring back taste of tradition. The major advantages gained by using kulhar are two. Number of options are, so here is a different options. Here is a points are reduce cutting of the tree for making paper cup, what organization wanted to do by introducing the kulhar. Number 2, job creation for potter, which contribute to economy. Number 3, reduce plastic waste. Number 4, wastage of soil and effort in making it. So which is the right answer? Which out of the following is true? Option 1, 2 and 4, option 1, 2 and 3, option 3 and 4 and option 4. So right answer is option 1, 2 and 3, that is B. So question number 1 is now over. Question number 2, answer any 5 out of given 6 question and each questions carry 1 marks. Which of the following is not a component of Office suite? Writer, Impress, Internet Explorer, Base. So right answer is C. Which of the following enable us to send the same letter to different person? Macros, template, mail merge, none of the above. So answer is mail merge, C. A pamphlet on cyber awareness has to be designed. Which out of the following Office suite component we choose in to accomplish this task? So which Office suite applications? The spreadsheet, digital documentation, database management, mail merge. So right answer is digital documentation. Okay, now next is, which of the following is not a component of graphic filter? Filter means effect. So graphics effect. Number 1 is invert, smooth, sharpen, wrapping. So number D, wrapping is not a component of graphic filter. 5. Which of the following is the symbol of non-printing characters icon on a standard toolbar? So right answer is C. Number 6. While using a mail merge, which out of the following is not a valid database type in database wizard? So right answer is drawing. This is very clear. Now question number 3, answer any 5 out of given 6 question and 1 marks carried by each question. Question number 1, the data is entered in dash form by default in CalC. Answer is table. Question number 2, shared workbook don't allow what? Merging cell, conditional formatting, inserting picture and graphics, all of the above and none of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Now question number 3, Rohan has created 12 worksheets in a single workbook for each month for the sales of the medicine. To check the sale of entire year, he needs to prepare a single worksheet. Which out of the following features will be helpful for him? So which features? Number 1 is goal seek, number 2 consolidate, number 3 solver and number 4 macro. So the best answer is consolidate. Question number 4, in Open Office CalC, dash option under tools menu is the more elaborate form of goal seek. So right answer is solver. Question number 5, in Open Office CalC, adds data arranged in an array, that is a group of cells with a label for column or row. So what is this? The options are range and mail merge, subtotals and scenario. So the right answer is subtotals. Question number 6. Richard wants to calculate how much the investment capital C would be required in order to attain an annual return of $15,000 when the interest rate is 7.5%. Which feature of OpenOffice Calc will him to achieve this? So the right answer is goal chic. Okay, now comes to the question number 4. Answer any 5 out of given 6 questions and each questions carry 1 marks. Number 1, when primary key constraint is applied to one or more columns, then it is known as, option B is the right answer, composite primary key. Question number 2, dash data type is a database can be used for storing photos, music file, etc. So our right answer is binary data type. Question number 3, Arvind wants to modify records in a database. Which statement should he use? So right answer is B, update. Question number 4, dash if set yes, then field will get the auto numeric value. So right answer is auto value. In question number 5, in database a dash helps to display the data in a summarized manner. Query, report, table and subform. So right answer is report. Question number 6, there are dash types of relationship in a table in a database, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. So right answer is 3. Now comes to the question number 5. Any 5 out of the given 6 questions and each questions carry 1 marks. Question number 1, dash generates visual warning such as blinking of title bar or a flashing border. So whenever the computers generate sound, so the right answer is sound sentry. So there are 4 options given here, and out of these 4 options the right answer is option A, sound sentry. Now question number 2, a dash is a software used to view website and act as an interface between the user and the World Wide Web, and the right answer is web browser. Now comes to the question number 3. While using internet, programs such as dash can be installed on computer to track and transmit every key that is pressed on a keyboard. Okay, that is called keystroke also, to unauthorized users. So right answer is key logger. And fourth question, dash could be software or hardware that can assist in keeping a computer and a network secure. It also analyzes the network traffic and determine if the traffic should be allowed or not allowed. So right answer is firewall. So we already know these types of questions because we are using internet frequently nowadays. So question number 5. WordPress is a free web service that you can use to create a beautiful what? Right answer is website or blog. Question number 6. In www.pitsgomia.org, www stands for, right answer is web. So World Wide Web Link, Wide World Web or World Wide Web. So right answer is D. So in this options the bolden option is A, but it is wrong. So right answer is D, World Wide Web. Now comes to the subjective type questions. So answer any 3 out of the given 5 questions on employability skill, and each questions carry 2 marks. Okay, and you have to answer each question in 20 to 30 words only. Now, so question number 1 here, draw any 2 common sign used for visual communication. Explain what each convey and where did you see it. So you can just draw here, so no parking sign or no entry sign or danger warning sign, or you can just draw the picture of under CCTV surveillance. So all these symbols you can see everywhere, that is in a bus stop or no entry, it means administrative blocks where the entry is not allowed, And you can just see this one in a complex also, or shopping complex also, where CCTV surveillance or a CCTV warning is there pasted. So you can just draw any two out of these given four options. Now question number 7, differentiate between interests and abilities. So what is the difference between interest and abilities? So the answer is interest, things that one like to do in free time. Okay, you are curious about, you want to learn, so this is called interest. And abilities, natural capacity enables to perform a job. So whatever your natural strength, whatever your natural power, okay, so that is called ability. And interest means whatever the work you wanted to do, you like to do, you are just become happy to doing these types of work. So this is called your interest. So interest and ability both are different. Interest is only the hope, and ability means whatever your strength of doing your work and fulfilling your hopes. Now question number 8, explain how Trojan horse virus works. A Trojan horse or Trojan is a type of malicious code or software that looks legitimate but can take control of your computer. A Trojan is designed to damage, disrupt, steal, or in general inflict some other harmful actions on your data or network. A Trojan acts like a bona fide application or file to trick you. So this is the answer of this one, what is the meaning of Trojan horse, okay, and how this virus is working. Question number 9, what differences did you find between entrepreneurship and wage employment? So you have to just write the differentiate between differences between these two, entrepreneurship and wage employment. So in wage employment, you can just explain here in your own word also. Earning is a fixed, okay, never negative. So second point you can just write here, does not create a wealth. So wage employment is only fixed work. They just get a fixed salary. They have to just distributed a particular job. So you have to do is, you have to just perform this one and then go back to home. So they will never get in a negative opportunities. So number 3, you can just write here the answer, can choose form, different types of forms. So wage employment can choose to work either in a government or private sector or a public sector. So they are free to go anywhere. But in case of entrepreneurship, you can write here, can be negative sometimes. So entrepreneur may be negative in sometimes, but generally entrepreneurs just create a surplus wealth. Second point you may write here, that is create wealth for the country, contributes in a country GDP. Number 3 you can write here, can choose from industry, trades or a service enterprises. So entrepreneurs choose their work, either they want to provide the product to the people or provide the service to the people. So they are free. So you can write any differences in your own word. Question number 10, how can you become the responsible consumer for environment? So how can you become a responsible consumer, okay, for environment, for saving environment, how you perform, how you do your work as a consumer. So you may write here what, reusing paper, glass, plastic, water, etc. Okay. Second options you may just write in your own word, taking cloth bag to market, carrying fruits and vegetables. So instead of using a plastic bag, you can use a cloth bag, okay, or you may just use a jute bag that will be disposed easily. Number 3.3 is donate things we do not use, such as clothes, book, furniture, food, etc. So whatever the things you are not using, you can donate to the others. It means others will utilize your given items, okay, so that that person do not need to purchase new one. Next point, you may just write here what? Buy and eat seasonal fruits and vegetables from local growers. So whoever the local growers, you can just purchase a fresh fruits and vegetables. That's why they can survive. So here we can use vocal for local. So now next point is repair leaking taps and pipes to avoid wasting water. 6. Sort and treat garbage before disposing. So as a consumer, we can repair our leaking tap so that we can just save the water, and we can sort and treat the garbage before disposing. So we should not throw the solid garbage, that's because they will take a long time to dispose. We can just crush the garbage or make a small pieces of the garbage and then we can throw it. So you can just write these answers in your own word also. Now next is answer any 4 out of the given 6 question in 20 to 30 words, and each questions carry 2 marks. What do you understand by the term text wrapping? So text wrappings relations of graphics to the surrounding text, okay, which may wrap around the graphic on one or both sides. So whenever you see in a newspapers, you can see that the pictures covered by the text surrounding. So text is just surrounding the pictures. So this is called text wrapping. So how you can just do it? You can just whenever you place the pictures in the middle of the paragraph, you can see that the picture is just surrounded by the text. So this is called text wrapping. So text wrapping option is available. Number 2 is anchoring. So reference point for the graphics is called anchoring. Now question number 12. In OpenOffice Calc, what is the purpose of adding comments? How can we add comments to the changes made? So answer is purpose. What is the purpose behind it? To explain their changes. Okay. So we can just write the comment. Comment is always guide the users. So purpose about the working. Now how we can just make it? Make a change. Select the cell with the change edit option, and then you can click on the change option and choose comments. Type your own comments and click on OK. So after adding comments, hover the mouse pointer over the cell and you will see that the comment will visible. Now next question is differentiate between relative and absolute hyperlinks. Okay. So relative hyperlinks, a relative will stop working only if the target is removed and the target locations change related to each other, whereas absolute link will stop working only if the target is moved. So this is the basic difference. Now question number 14. How relationship can be established between 2 more tables in OpenOffice org base? Explain it. So answer is referential integrity is used to maintain accuracy and consistency of data in a relationship. In base, data can be linked between 2 or more tables with the help of primary key and foreign key constraint. Okay. So next question is what are the basic safety rules to be followed at workplace? So these are the fire safety, fall and slip, electrical safety, use of first aid. So you can just explain in your own word. So these are the basic points you can explain in your own words because it carry only 2 marks. Mention the precautions that must be taken while doing online transactions. So next question is mention the precautions that must be taken while doing online transaction. Number 1, ensure the website is legitimate and uses secure practice for performing and maintaining online transactions. Number 2, verify if the website uses secure transaction. Usually, it is indicated through a digital certificates represented as a golden lock in the web browser's address. And number 3, use antivirus and anti-spyware software in your computer. So by doing all these 3, you can perform a secure online transaction. Now the next question is answer any 3 out of the given 5 questions in 50 to 80 words, and each questions carry 4 marks. So question number 17, explain mail merge with example, write the steps of doing mail merge and what are its advantages. So one questions carry many sub questions also. So answers is allow you to create multiple document at once, such as letter, saving you the time and effort of retyping the same letters over and over. So what is the advantage? What is the use of mail merge? So this one is the mail merge. Mail merge just provide us a facility to create a multiple document at once, such as letters, saving our time and effort of typing a same letters again and again. So what are the steps by doing mail merge? Creating a main document and the template, create a data source, and next is defining the merge field in the main document, and next merging the data with the main document, finally save or export your data. Now advantages of mail merge are that the features save your time and effort. Okay, producing mass mailing is much simplified, especially compared to the process of preparing individuals letter or envelopes to many people. So these are the advantages. You can write one advantage also, or you can just write one or two. Question number 18, what are macros? How can we record a macro? How macros are useful to us? A macro is saved sequence of commands or keystroke that are stored for later use. Okay, and how can we record a macro? Go to the tools menu, click on macros and click on record macro option. Then press the sequence of keystroke you want. At the end of your sequence, click on stop recording. In the new window that pop-ups, give the file a name and save it under Office Standards Module 1. Now, the advantage of using macro is the execution speed of the program fragment. When the actual code snippet is to be used, it can be substituted by the name of the macros. The same block of a statement, on the other hand, need to be repeatedly hard codes as and when required. So one line we can say that macros provide us facility to repeat a same work again and again. Okay, so same blocks of command, same group of commands we can repeat many times as and our requirement. So question number 19, what is meant by computer accessibility? Name any 3 accessibility options and how it is useful for especially abled people. Computer accessibility refers to user friendliness of a computer for all. So these are sticky key, helpful for people with physical disabilities, filter key for people with hand tremors, toggle keys for people with vision impaired, or any others you can just write. Now question number 20. So table is given here and you have to just write a SQL query to create the table PT1, that is having 2 marks. Write a query to insert new value to the table, and next write a query to update the record. So how we can just perform this one? We can use a SQL command here. So first create a table and write the table name and under bracket ID integer primary key comma roll is a field, name of field, roll number, it is integer type comma and name varchar, and you have to just write the length of the field also, that is 10 comma English integer, Hindi integer, maths integer. So Hindi is the name of field and integer is their data type. So and finally close the bracket and then press write the semicolon and then press enter key. And number 2, insert into table. Insert into is a command and write here the table name, values according to the field sequence. Okay. So 105 XYZ and 3 marks of the subject. So here you can just write here what 105 is the ID and XYZ is the name and 56, 78 and 90s are the different marks. After that close the bracket and then press semicolon. Write a query to update the record of ID 102 as your own choice. So update, to write the table name, set name Rohan, okay, where ID is 102. So if you want to change the name of that particular record, okay, by the another name, you can just write here update name of the table, set name new, whatever the going to be changed, whatever you want to just change here. So set name Rohan, where ID, where is the condition, and ID, that particular ID you are going to change the name. So this is called update command. So update, insert, create. So this type of command, SQL command, will 100% definitely come in examination. Now the last question is differentiate between DDM, DML and DDL commands, okay, with example. And number 2 is char and varchar. So differentiate between char and varchar. So DML commands are update, select, insert, whereas DDL commands are create, alter and drop. So there are so many commands, but you have to differentiate between both types of command, DDL command and DML commands. Whereas char items which are fixed length are the fastest to store and retrieve but can waste storage space, whereas varchar, a variable length string, can be slower to store and retrieve but does not waste storage space. So these are the questions, these are the patterns that will become in IT examination, final examination, CBSE board examination. I hope you will be just understand the patterns, and according to these patterns you will prepare your final examinations. Thank you very much.